It's winter time again in Minnesota, and it's time for Stories for the Season. Hello, I'm your impromptu host, Leroy Harris from the Ulm Public Library, and we're very grateful to partner with NUCAT, the State Street Theater Company, the Brown County Historical Society, and the Grand Center for Arts and Culture. Each year in Stories for the Season, we bring you a selection of stories and vignettes related to winter and the holiday season that center around the theme. You may notice I'm not in the library at the moment. I'm actually over at the Grand Center for Arts and Culture, and we're very excited because our theme this year, Holiday Recipes, will involve us using the Grand's kitchen. We hope you enjoy the different segments about holiday recipes taken from old cookbooks in the archives of the Historical Society. There are lots of interesting directions and quirks, as well as some small stories to go along with them, and we'll be doing taste tests of a lot of the recipes too. We hope you enjoy this year's Stories for the Season.
My name is Carla, and I am here with Stories for the Seasons, and I am reading the preface to the Congregational Church's Cookbook, circa probably 1930. In presenting this, our new Ulm Cookbook, to the notice of yourself and the many friends of ourselves, we do so with a full knowledge that there are cookbooks ad libitum, if not ad nauseum, floating around through culinary space, and that an excuse for perpetrating another must of necessity be a good one, to entitle its author to any consideration at the hands, or perhaps we might say the stomachs, of a long-suffering and dyspeptic public. Appreciating as we do, however, the treacherous ground upon which we tread, we venture fearlessly along the path which we have marked out, fully believing that after having thoroughly tested the recipes, which you will find enclosed, you will not only forgive us for our temerity, but will yourself, with your children and children's children, arise and call us blessed. We know these recipes to be tested and tried, and while we have not, in the language of the showbills, collected this grand aggregation of wonders from the 4 quarters of the globe, regardless of time, trouble, or expense, we have, thanks to the ladies of our beautiful little city, gathered into this collection the cream of the tested recipes used by them, the quality of each recipe being vouched for by the signature of the lady presenting it. Trusting that your days may be lengthened by the use of the formulas herewith presented, we are yours respectfully, the Ladies' Aid Society of the Congregational Church of New Ulm.
We hope you're enjoying this year's Stories for the Season, a collaboration between the Ulm Public Library, NUCAT, the State Street Theater, the Grand Center for Arts and Culture, and the Brown County Historical Society. This year, we'd also like to give a special thank you to the Friends of the Ulm Public Library for providing all the ingredients for the recipes that we tried out. And if you'd like to try them for yourself at home, give it a go. See how they work for your holiday party.